All the rest is by Dallas Fort Worth International Airport arrival information X-ray 12530. Wind 150 at 8. Visibility 10. Use clouds back 15,000. Temperature 23, 2.18. Altimeter 3001. Visual approach 2, runway 18, runway 17. Aircraft landing runway 18, right may expect to hold short of taxiway Bravo, 10,100 feet available. Aircraft landing runway 17, center may expect to hold short of taxiway Bravo, 10,400 feet. For runway status lights and use on runway 17, center, runway 18 left. Notice to airmen. Runway 17, right closed. Airport surface. Detection equipment in use. Pilots should operate transponders on taxiways and runways. Runway status lights, runway entrance lights, east of runway 17, center on taxiways rule out of service. Bird activity vicinity of airport. Reflect runway hold short instruction. Advise on initial contact. You have information X-ray. Dallas Fort Worth International Airport arrival information X.
Dallas Fort Worth clearance. This is Cardinal 18739.
Cardinal 18739 clearance.
Cessna Cardinal 18739. We are currently at Corporate Aviation, ready for taxi for the DFR departure to Shawnee, Sierra, November, Lima with X-ray.
Cardinal 18739, what is your on-course heading and altitude requested?
On-course heading will be 358, requested altitude to be 6,500.
Roger, taking your type aircraft?
Type aircraft is Cessna Cardinal 177B.
Roger, stand by. Number 18739er, cut out of Bravo airspace to the west. Maintain 2000. Approach frequency 118.1. Squawk 0457.
Expect 2000, 118.1, 0457 on the transponder.
November 739, read back correct. Good morning.
Good morning. Dallas Fort Worth, ground, Cardinal 18739.
Cardinal 18739, DFW ground.
739 is currently at Corporate Aviation, ready for taxi for departure with X-ray.
Cardinal 739, exit the ramp on the south side near spot 3 or 4, hold short of taxiway Yankee, and advise when you're holding short.
Currently holding short of Yankee, 739.
Cardinal 739, roger, runway 18 left for departure, turn right on taxiway Zulu, contact ground 0.85 on top of the Zulu bridge.
218 left, right on Zulu, and ground 121.85 on the bridge, 739er.
Ground fairway 115, spot 63.
Bearings 115, DFW ground, runway 18 left, turn right on Bravo, contact ground 0.85 on top of the bridge, verify you have 8-ish Yankee.
We have Yankee, Bravo, bridge, and we'll call ground there, Spirit Wings 115.
Forward ground, Cardinal 18739, crossing the bridge on Zulu, short 18 left.
November 18739, DFW ground, taxi straight ahead on Zulu and hold short over runway 18 left.
Roger, hold short 18 left, straight on Zulu.
And November 739, monitor tower 124.15.
Monitor tower 12415, 739.
Spirit Wings 115, when you get up there, monitor tower 2415.
2415, Spirit Wings 115, get it.
Cessna 739, are you still with me?
I'm with you. Holding short, 18 left.
Should be on tower 2415.
2450. 2415, 739. Fort Worth Tower, Cardinal 18739 on Zulu, hold short, 18 left.
Cardinal 739, DFW Tower, roger, just a moment for converging runway operations.
Roger, 739.
Cardinal 739, fly runway heading, I will call your westbound turn, runway 18 left at Zulu. Clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 18 left, fly runway heading. I'll wait for your call, 739.
Spirit Wings 115, DFW Tower, traffic is departing downfield from the intersection, runway 18 left at Whiskey Golf, line up and wait.
18 left, Whiskey Golf, line away, Spirit Wings 115.
Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie, taxi via Alpha Bravo Charlie, remain this frequency.
Alpha Bravo Charlie, remain with you, 987 Bravo Charlie.
You're going to GA ramp, correct?
Yeah, corporate aviation, I believe it's called.
Thank you, yeah, it's about 5 miles away, so just stay with me for now.
Oh, joy. C-19.
Yeah, actually it could be more than 5 miles, I'm not kidding. Cardinal 739, turn right heading 270.
270 right, 739.
Tower envoy 3342, visual 18 right.
Spirit Wings 115, series departed Cardinals westbound on factor RNAV to B Park, from the 18 left, clear for takeoff.
Harder, B Park 18, left, clear for takeoff, Spirit Wings 115.
Only 3342, DFW Tower, runway 18 right, clear to land with 1307.
Clear to land 18 right, envoy 3342.
Shuttle 6000, where are you parking?
We are going, west.
Shuttle 6000 at Golf 8, hold short, runway 18 left. Cardinal 739, contact departure, good day.
For the departure, thanks for your help, 739er.
Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie, again you'll turn left on Charlie, all the way up to Yankee, hold short for runway 18 right at Yankee.
Charlie, Yankee, hold short runway 18 right.
Thank you.
Dallas Fort Worth departure, Cardinal 18739, currently 1,800.
Cardinal 18739er departure, radar contact maintain as VFR climbing to 3,500 and continue your present heading. I'll have a turn to the north here shortly.
3,500, continue present heading, 739er.